I bet you didn't know there's a secret weapon to boost your YouTube views and subscribers? It's called vidIQ, and it's a total game changer. Are you a new YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Look no further. vidIQ is your all-in-one solution to optimize your content, understand your audience, and outperform your competitors. From creating eye-catching thumbnails to generating SEO-optimized descriptions, vidIQ saves you time and effort. Imagine knowing exactly which trends to jump on and having real-time stats to tweak your strategy on the fly. With vidIQ, you get insights into your video performance, competitor analysis, and the best keywords to use. Plus, it offers plans for every budget, from free to pro, so why wait? Click the link in the description to sign up for vidIQ and watch your views and subscribers soar. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips to grow your YouTube presence. Let's get growing with vidIQ.